Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, national referee. Second referee, Mr. Philip Sison, international referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Air Spikers of the Philippine Air Force. Let's start with jersey number 1, Air Woman, second class, Rhea Dimaculangan. Wearing jersey number 6, Air Woman, second class, Mayan Pantino. At number 9, Air Woman, second class, Judy Caballejo. At number 10, Air Woman, second class, Micah Ortiz. Wearing jersey number 12, Air Woman, second class, Joy Cases. And at number 11, Staff Sergeant Liza De Ramos. Libero number 5, Air Woman, second class, Mayan Banbaseda. Head coach, Staff Sergeant Clarence Ayi Esteban. Calling on our Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army. Let's start with jersey number 1, Private First Class, Jeannie Sabas. At number 5, Private First Class, Mary Jean Balse. Wearing jersey number 8, Private First Class, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Wearing jersey number 14, Private Nerissa Bautista. At number 13, Ms. Rachel Ann Dakis. And Libero number 15, Ms. Christine Agno. Team captain is Corporal Tina Salak. Head coach, Sergeant Rico De Guzman.
Staff Sergeant Liza De Ramos naman ang starting quicker dun sa kabila as we give you game number 2 of the semifinals. Ngayon, nanalo Air Force nung first game nila ng first set. Magandang struggle nila doon pero biglang naubusan sila nung next 3 sets.
Oo, kaya ang malaking question dyan ngayon is if they can sustain. Kasi importante yan, maganda yung umpisa mo, maganda rin yung pagtatapos mo. Yon
ang kailangan nila rito. But again, they're starting with Liza De Ramos. It worked against Ateneo. Did not work in game number 1. So titignan natin where they're going to go with this. Kay Coach Yung Esteban, as we are underway, Tina Salak yung may unang set. Rhea Dimaculangan, kailangan itulak kaagad. Dimaculangan, nilabanan kaagad si Jeannie Sabas. And Tinagno, namigay na skyball. So long rally kaagad tayo sa panimula pa lang natin. Sabi ni Mike Ortiz, tira kaagad tayo. Jovelyn Gonzaga will do the setting. Dakis adjusting. And it's dug up. So long rally, wala pa po tayong puntos. Kamusta naan?
Well, look at this. Mahaba-haba siya.
Kaya nga nagkakwentuhan. Kamusta na kaya?
Kamusta na? Makape-kape muna.
Okay na. Hindi pa rin makalusot na si Micah Ortiz. Papunta ulit kay Dakis. Dakis, yun, dinaan sa kamay ni Rhea.
Finally gets that point.
And again, Rachel Ann Dakis is not injured. Although may tape siya sa kanyang balikat, she is not injured kaya naupo siya ng set 3 and set 4 nung kanilang unang laban. Yung mga naka-flash daw dyan. Ayan, kitang-kita. Ayan, patayin mo ang flash, iha. Nabatukan pa yung nakatabi.
Well, actually, kasi yung mga flash and it distracts the player, yung mga biglang tingin dyan, ano?
Right. Dimaculangan, masyado malapit sa net. Joy Cases, nakagawa.
Ito yung mga games na maganda panoorin because you see a pool of very experienced players. In this case, meron kang isang nasa side ng Philippine Air Force, isang side ng Philippine Army. Lahat ng utakan, gulangan, makikita mo dito.
That's the beauty of the open conference naman talaga eh. Nakikita mo, all-star teams have been formed. Salak. At si Gonzaga tinulak using her right hand. Masyado malakas. 2-1 Air Force. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Rhea Dimaculangan, a lock to win Best Setter Award sa tingin ko. Sino ba mga kalaban niya sa Best Setter?
Well, marami-rami tayong si Tina Salak for
Tina
one.
Tina Salak is one, yeah.
Si Ruby De Leon also performed very well.
Sa Cagayan Valley naman, either si Giselle C or si Chisaet. Napalakas ang serve doon ni Dimaculangan. We're tied at 2. So Jeannie Sabas now to serve para sa Philippine Army. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Lahat ng nag-tweet kasi ako kanina nanalo ang ang Cagayan Valley. Nalagay ko in 5 sets.
In 4.
In 4, na typo doon. So sa lahat mga nakapuna, pasensya na po, tao lang.
Pero naman kasi, yung pagka-exciting nung game at hinaba nung 4th set, para na siyang 5th set.
Hindi, pero pag 5th set talaga, Seb Sarmenta country na yun.
Di ba ikaw?
Hindi no. Proven na eh.
Si Miyaka na lang.
Ayun ang totoo. Yun ang salarin. Caballero gets through. 3-all. Ganda rin linaro ni Judy nung game number 1. So it is now tied at 3. Micah Ortiz the serve. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Micah Ortiz running for MVP as well. And best spiker. Dakis, front runner for MVP. Yan na lang hindi nakukuha ni Rachel na award. Conference MVP.
Pero yun nga ang maganda dito siguro sa attitude din ni Dakis. It's like what we mentioned during the pregame. Hindi siya all about the individual awards. Kumbaga bonus na yun.
Yun talaga. At nung nag-usap kami ng matagal after game 1, sabi niya, she will trade any of the awards basta manalo lang ang Philippine Army ng kampyonato dito. Here's the running attack and that block by Nerissa Bautista goes out. So puntos para kay Cases. Ano ba dito? Kapaan pa nangyayari dito sa ating first set.
We haven't seen yung mga plays na normally ina-execute nila. Ngayon puro sure attacks.
Mas lalo na ito si Cases. Pag nakita niya medyo off yung blocker ng konti, padadaanin niya sa kamay. Now, Cases slowly developing that jump float. Quick set now for Ging Balse. Dimac on the back set now. Caballero. Dakis is there. Salak iniwan para kay Balse. Dug up there by Cases. Di makulangan. Pantino. Malakas.
Very clear. Basang-basang lalabas yung bola.
Well, actually, Pantino did score 15 points in game number 1 as well. Caballero had 16. So sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Gonzaga, of course, was player of the game nung game number 1 with her game-high 18 points. Caballero turned back there by Bautista. Caballero will now set para kay Mayan Pantino. Gonzaga, Salak! Slam dunk for Tina Salak.
Making the points come easily here for the Philippine Army. Ang maganda pa kay Tina because of the height. Kita mo yung tusok ng bola at saka yung reach din niya.
Alam na rin ng blockers ng Air Force. Okay, lobas yung kaliwang kamay. Block na tayo. Wala na, too late na.
Pero yung posisyon ni Tina, it would seem like kung ikaw yung kalaban, magsiset pa rin siya.
Dakis keeping it alive. Bautista. Inangat ni Caballero para kay Pantino. Nakaabang naman doon si Tina Salak. Caballero. Bautista. Salak sending it deep. Balmaceda is there. Di makulangan sa kabila ngayon. Pantino off the block. Haba na naman ang rally. Salak. Bautista. Cross-court bomb.
Good read by Bautista. Talagang iniwas sa kamay ng blockers.
Yun yung sa isang lugar siya nakatingin pero yung tira niya pumunta sa kabilang panig. Tingnan mo to.
Look at that. Nice cross-court hit.
Well, again, si Bautista ba, ma-down the line ba to? Mas ma-cross-court siya di ba?
Pero itong si Bautista, dalawa yung tira niya. Talagang down the line and cross-court. But in that case, kitang-kita yung butas doon sa kanan. So hindi niya pinadaan.
Balse, dinaan sa lakas. Hahabulin niya ni Balmaceda, who has been very impressive as the libero of the Philippine Air Force. Salak sending it to Nene. Salak again going deep. Dimac. Caballero on the drop shot. At na-traffic doon si Agno at saka ito si Salak.
Nagkailangan si Agno at Salak. Nakita ni Tina, papunta si Agno. So, hinayaan niyang kunin ni Agno para makaset siya.
Sabi naman ni Agno, mas mataas rango mo sa akin.
Ikaw na lang.
Talagang yan ang mga situation na you wish it doesn't happen to you.
Isa lang yung kinulang doon Walang nagsabi ng mind. Pareho silang papunta doon sa bola.
Bautista did not get that across. So, it is now 7-6. Unti-unti na naman nakakahabol itong Philippine Air Force. So now Judy Caballero. Sharp serve, Dakis. Salak, combination, Bautista. Wow, Balmaceda. And Balmaceda gives up the free ball. Gonzaga. Salak on the dump. Balmaceda is everywhere. Here's Pantino now. Dug up by Agno. Gonzaga, Bautista, cross-court again!
That same sweet spot, walang at the
the game and focus on the game today. And for today, they came prepared going up against the Lady Troopers. Ang sabi nila, defense daw ang kailangan nila for today. Especially, they have to work double time on their blocking. They're going up a very strong offensive team. Kailangan din hindi mawawala ang communication nila inside the court. For the Lady Troopers, although they already had win in game number 1, they would definitely want to finish this off in just 2 games. And as we can see that for the Lady Troopers also, they will be playing with one less man today with Joanne Bunag, who, although suited up, will not be seeing any action because she's recovering from the flu. But despite this, the Philippine Army is confident they will be able to play a good game. Anna Noel?
Thank you very much, Ate Ivy. Pero alam naman natin si Joanne Bunag did play well in game number 1, replacing Dakis in the lineup. May 10 points pang naitala doon si Joanne Bunag as Jenny Sabas is able to drop that in.
So ngayon, ang nagiging ano lang here for the Lady Troopers, ano yung pamalit. Oo.
Well, si Joanne Bunag, actually, dalawa pwesto nilalaro niyan, open spiker or panggitna.
Or gitna.
Oo. Well, we see Michelle Carolino in the lineup. Uy, may birthday greetings tayo mamaya para sa Philippine Army.
Oo nga.
As Nene Bautista scores on service ace. Baka na pa pwede natin kunan yung birthday girl dyan mamaya.
Baka mapakain tayo niyan.
Happy birthday kay Dalia Cruz. Dalia Cruz birthday.
Naghihintay kami ng pakain.
Ate, kay Coach Rico, Dalia Cruz birthday, di ba? So may pakain mamaya, di ba, Coach Rico? No. Oo lang na oo si Coach Rico. Hop, Tina Sala, getting lucky. So 11-7. Palitan ng tao early sub here as Jen Manzano will check in for Mayan Pantino. Ito si Jen Manzano also playing with a knee injury. Ayan naman, ayan, Dalia Cruz.
Happy birthday!
Ayan, kaway-kaway Dalia, kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway. Ay,
ni Dalia.
Lahat kumaway, pwede si Dalia eh. Sasha Torres, si Michelle Carolino, Ers Iratay, lahat kumaway, pwede si Dalia.
Hindi, ayaw niya magpakain.
Another service ace from Private Nene Bautista. And an early timeout now called. Coach,
na last minute, the ball would drop.
Here's Di Makulangan, iniwan for Micah Ortiz. And that's actually the first point for Micah Ortiz sa laban na ito.
A lot is expected from Ortiz in this game.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lain tayo katolang gamit. Proudly Philippine-made. Jen Manzano, De La Salle Dasmariñas, former captain on the serve. Gonzaga. Tina Salak going to Rachel Dakis. Dakis off the block, hindi masasagip ni Judy Caballejo.
Right now, Philippine Army is doing a good job in keeping this lead.
And Rachel Dakis, look at this one again, doing a good job in keeping all of the hair clips together.
Walang nalalaglag.
Grabe, no, ma-overweight yan sa aeroplano pag sumakay ng aeroplano. Kikililing yung metal detector sa dami ng clip niya dyan. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Alam mo kung sino yung ganyan dati, si Bang, pero
si Bang
nabawasan na.
Hindi, ganito nga theory namin ni Norina.
Mas may additional weight lang to kasi may ribbon yung clips
mamaya,
niya.
pag nakunalit natin si Rachel. Ito yung theory namin ni Norin. Nagsawa na si Bang Pineda sa negosyo niyang clips na franchise. Binili naman ni Rachel Dakis yung franchise. So ngayon, si Rachel, complete collection of clips nasa kanya.
Mas mabigat nga lang yung kanya, yung difference. Hindi plain may ribbon.
Uy, may mga bagong addition to the franchise yan. Here's Di Makulangan now, lifting it up. Cases, double block ang nakaabang. Cases, sending it to nobody. Dakis against Caballejo. And here is Agnos, sending it to Rachel. Once again, lusot na naman kay Micah Ortiz. Ayan hindi na uhulog. Yan sisama mga ribbon.
May ribbon.
Ayan yung mga clip. May isa, tagilid na yung isa kapit ng isa, baka mahulog na yan maya-maya
Doon talaga nag-focus no? Let's take a look at this again. Off the block. Ayan, medyo nauna ng konti rin si Ortiz at nakaatras yung kamay niya. So pumasok yung bola.
So Rachel giving them a 5-point lead. Itong Philippine Army. Sabas. Ganda ng serve. Timac sa kabila. Judy. Nene Bautista. Salak. Balik ulit kay Dakis. And Dakis gets it on the check ball.
Now the Philippine Air Force needs to regroup, organize themselves bago tuluyang lumayo ang score ng Philippine Army.
Jenny Sabas has been serving very well. Yun na naman. Service ace pa kasunod.
Look at that.
16-9.
The Philippine Air Force na so far 7 attack points pa lang ang nagagawa.
Sabas. Patuloy ang kanyang magagandang serve. Balmaceda sending it to Caballero. Nakaabang naman doon si Gonzaga. Ortiz once again for Caballero. Over Gonzaga. Salak head to stretch. Gonzaga, second ball.
And advantages of being a lefty and positioned at the right side of the court. Look at this. Oh. Tinaas lang ni Salak. Imbis na sinet ni Gonzaga, went for that hit.
Again, yung definition nun. Kaya lamang ang mga utility spiker na kuwete. Kasi buong katawan nila nakatapat sa court. Diba?
Tama.
Kaya sa pag right-handed ka na utility spiker, which we see a lot kasi kukunti lang naman ang lefties sa mundo. As Micah Ortiz is able to get that one off of Tina Salak. Katulad sa kabila, si Judy Caballero yung kanilang utility spiker. Limited yung
range
range
niya.
mo.
The same way pag outside hit ka, normally right-handed yan. Because the range is wider.
Here's Ortiz on a good serve. Here's Gonzaga now. Kept alive there by Caballero. Manzano lifts it up para dito kay Cases. Nakaabang naman si Gonzaga. Buhay pa rin. Caballero ihulog. Nandun si Agno. Salak. Balse. Tinulak. Binuhay pa rin. And free ball given up by Manzano. Bautista sa likod. Here's Salak. To Gonzaga. And Manzano cannot stop that.
At nakikita natin yung balasa sa taon nitong si Tina Salak. Really giving each and every one a set.
And you have to watch it in slow motion to appreciate yung kagalingan ni Tina Salak sa distribution.
Kasi makikita mo, no, lahat ng tao sa harapan nakakakuha ng bola.
Well, ito na, remote control serve time from Rachel Andaki sa panahon ng tagulan. Iwasan dengue, line Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Kamote sa reception, pero nakatira pa rin si Caballero. And there is a good block again for Jovelyn Gonzaga. The Bionic Guapa strikes again, 19-10, timeout Air Force. Remote control, may baterya. Meron din ng konti, pero magaling lang talaga si Balmaceda. Here is Caballero. Salak. Gonzaga again.
And itong si Gonzaga already eyed her target prior to that approach.
Again, she is only 22 years old.
Imagine that.
Diba?
Jovelyn Gonzaga. Long way to go.
Rachel is only 26 years old. Nice serve for Dakis. Cases. Dakis will run after this one. Salak mamimigay ng free ball. Balmaceda. Di makulangan. Sa kabila. Cases nakasandal. Ang ganda na naman ang depensa ni Guapa.
Gonzaga with that block. And you see that the Philippine Army really is a threat at the net. At nahihirapan ang Philippine Air Force to penetrate.
Well, Army is the tallest team in the league.
And look at your frontliners now. Talking about the tallest, you have Bautista, Balse, and Gonzaga.
Dakis' serve worked. Namigay na free ball and Balse gets that off of De Ramos.
Ito pag pinapanood mo mukhang ang dali, ano? Pero hindi po ganyan kadali yan.
Well, if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. And bugtong to sa kaisipan na marami. Pero si Mary Jean Balse actually started her career as an open spiker.
Oh yes, she did. Oo. Pero sanay na sanay tayo. Siyempre nakikita siya naglalaro in the middle.
Well, the remote control is now heated up. Nakakuha na ng service ace si Rachel Andakis and Coach Aying. Wala na magawa. Ubus na timeout niya.
Oo.
Ginagawa na yung R5 para sa
next set. Oo. Minsan ganun, no? You let go of this set, kalimutan nyo yan, you come back new in the second.
Grabe! The serve continues to be sharp from Dakis. Gonzaga, combination. Net violation de Ramos.
We said point, and looking at the body language of the Philippine Air Force, it seems like they've already let go of the first set. Minsan ganyan, idikit mo lang, idikit mo man lang.
Wala. This is 14 set points. Let's see what they can do about this. Si Dakis pa nagsaserve. Pwede. Namigay si Rachel ng isa.
Na-jinx. Isa. Napagod. Nakarami na daw siya. Let's see. Well, they need 1 point to close this set. At napakalaki ng lamang nila. So, walang pressure.
Bautista. And that'll do it for set number 1. Ganda na simula rin ni Bautista. Service ni Dakis, service ni Sabas, blocking ni Gonzaga, atake ni Balse, setting ni Sala.
Overall,